only 25 years of age. Nick Young made one. How about two? Misses.
Yep.
Gordon made up for it with a beautiful block. NBA history.
Tell you what, you give me 16 million, you can have the team.
Oh, Iguodala got the foul. Rich Cook dribbling in and out of trouble. And he hits the runaway jumper. Penetrating again. Making it up. Rebound inside. The second chance points are the difference tonight.
Oh, they got this.
Iguodala blocking Bogdanovich.
Right in the middle of it.
Andre again. Drops in at three. 58% since the Andre deflected. Iguodala the steal. Andre with the dunk.